Everything's here. This turned out so damn awesome. 3,000 bucks is insane, so let's definitely do a rag pull here. Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you're really eager to make money on the Solana network, and most likely up until now, you've just been buying some sketchy, obscure meme tokens on Dex Screener and basically throwing your money away on them. Today, we're going to fix that completely. We're going to create our own coins, and we'll be able to make a lot more money this way than if we were just trying to guess which shill coin from the listings would skyrocket next. This method has been around for quite a while, but it still works flawlessly to this day. It's already July, and the strategy is performing exceptionally well. If we open Dex Screener, we'll see that absolutely every other coin that appears there is a 100% scam. First, they artificially pump the price to attract an audience, and in the end, the developers simply pull off a so-called rug pull. That is, they drain all the liquidity. And today, I'll show you how this works from the inside. For our scheme, the first thing we'll need is Dex Screener. We need to find a ready-made popular coin concept to copy. Let's take the project ranked first. It has a rather complicated name, but the coin is currently riding a massive hype wave, and its market cap is a whopping $13 million. That's the one we'll copy. The second step is to go to the Sol Launch website. This is where we'll create our token, add a liquidity pool, and then the coin will automatically appear on Dex Screener. So, we're on the Sol Launch website. First things first, let's connect our Phantom wallet. By the way, the guys are currently running a giveaway for 5 SOL Solana. The rules are as simple as it gets. All you have to do is create a token on their website and send the contract address to support. Can you believe it? Not only will you make money off your token, but you'll also get a chance to snag 5 SOL for free. With Solana trading at around $250, that's over $1,000 literally out of thin air. A façon I highly recommend entering. Alright, let's move on. Click the Create Token button. We need to fill out the fields. Token name, symbol, and the other settings. We'll copy the token name exactly from Dex Screener. It's pretty long, so we'll just paste it into the field. For the token symbol, in our case, we'll simply enter the number 1. Leave the decimals value at the default of 9 and set the total supply to exactly 1 billion tokens. That's 1 followed by 9 zeros. Great. Now we need to upload the logo for our future coin. To do this, go back to Dex Screener, find the original tokens avatar, drag and drop it into a new browser tab, and save it to your computer. Return to the Sol Launch website, upload the image. Great, the logo is in place. Next, we need to fill out the coin description. The original token on Dex Screener doesn't have a detailed description, so we'll just copy the short text provided there. Be sure to also fill out the creator's info and add social links fields. These settings are critical. They create the appearance of a trustworthy project, encouraging regular traders searching for new coins on Dex Screener to consider buying it. In the creator's name field, enter the same name as the token's name. For the creator's website, use the link to the original project's Twitter X account from Dex Screener. Since the coin being copied only has a Twitter account, list only that in the social media section. That leaves us with the last 3 crucial settings: revoke freeze authority, revoke mint authority, and revoke update authority. Remember, without disabling these permissions, without revoking them, no one will buy your token. It will be ignored even by trading bots that scan for new contracts. Enable all 3 protection features and click the Launch Token button. In the Phantom Wallet pop-up window, confirm the transaction. About 0.6 SOL will be deducted from your balance, and 1 billion of your coins will be credited to your account. Click Confirm. In just a couple of seconds, your contract is successfully created. Copy the token address you received. Now go to the liquidity pool section directly on the Sol Launch website, and you'll be automatically redirected to the Radium exchange. Connect your Phantom wallet again, leave a SOL in the base token field, and select your coin as the quote token. Click Search and paste the copied contract address. Enter the coin's ticker and name, just as we did in the previous step. Click the Use User Token button and select our coin. Great. Now we need to determine how much Solana will contribute to the liquidity pool. In our case, let's say 1.9 SOL. Also, keep in mind that about 0.2 SOL will be deducted as a fee by the Radium platform itself. In the quote token field, select our entire volume, 1 billion coins. Thus, our 1 billion coin pool will initially be backed by 1.9 SOL, approximately $472 at the current exchange rate. Set the fee tier to 2% and click the Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Confirm the transaction in Phantom. 1, 2, 3, done. The liquidity pool has been successfully created. Now copy the pool address generated by Radium and return to Deck Screener. Paste this address into the search bar. As you can see, the token isn't displayed yet. This is completely normal. It takes just 1 to 2 minutes for transactions on the blockchain to fully process and reach the pool. So about 2 minutes have passed since the pool was created, and our token has successfully been listed on Deck Screener. We can see that the first activity has already started. Someone is beginning to buy and sell. In reality, these are sniper bots that automatically track new liquidity pools on the Solana network and try to speculate on them. We don't plan to make much money off of them. Our main source of income will come from real people who find our coin. How? Since we've completely copied a hype token that's currently being heavily promoted on Twitter and other social media platforms, inattentive users will confuse the original project's contract with ours and buy our coin. Our goal is to boost the project's market cap to around $1,500 to $2,000. I think we'll completely hit that goal right in this video. To speed up the process, we can also buy Boost directly on Deck Screener. This will significantly increase activity on the token's page, and third-party users will be more willing to enter the trade. It's also extremely helpful to purchase a custom design for the token page from Deck Screener. You've probably noticed that popular coins have attractive banners, logos, and linked social media accounts. As soon as a coin has a banner like this, trust in it instantly increases. For some reason I don't understand, many auto snipers have strict algorithms in place. As soon as boosts are purchased for a token or its social media links are updated, bots start aggressively buying up the coin in large amounts. They can pour in $200, $300, or even $1,000 in a single transaction. This is a completely viable scenario. Additionally, we can promote our coin ourselves, hype it up in relevant Telegram chats, spam it on Twitter under popular posts, and gradually boost trading volumes. Right now, I'm going to share the contract a bit in the chats to speed up the process and boost activity on the chart. In fact, these are the most effective steps you can take to quickly boost your shitcoin. And a market cap in the range of $1,500 to $2,000 should, in theory, be achievable without any problems. Let's see how things look on the chart. Great. We've already checked off the first box. We've successfully broken through the $1,000 market cap. From here, we'll gradually continue to grow toward the $1,500 to $2,000 mark. And as soon as we reach the peak, we'll perform that very rag pull liquidity withdrawal. To do this, we'll return to the Radium exchange, go to the liquidity section, and open the portfolio tab. Our pool is already displayed here. If we click the minus sign and set the withdrawal amount to 100%, we'll retrieve all our SOL. We initially staked 1.9 SOL, but thanks to other people's purchases, we can now withdraw about 1.5 SOL in net profit on top of that. Look at the numbers. The token's total market cap has already climbed to $1,960. If we click the Remove Liquidity button now, how much will we receive in our wallet? Almost 4.9 SOL. Okay, let's look at the Deck Screener chart. Wow, the market cap is already at $3,000. That's it. This is the perfect moment to cash out. We click the Remove Liquidity button and confirm the transaction in Phantom. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Our rug pull is successfully complete. We've fully cashed out the coin's collateral. Let's summarize. We started with a balance of about $600 to $700 in our wallet. And right now, our balance stands at $1,248. We've made a net return of about 3 to 4 times our initial investment. That's how simple and profitable this method is. At the same time, our costs for creating the contract and pool fees totaled only about 0.5 to 0.6 SOL, and you can achieve these impressive results regularly simply by creating your own coins and withdrawing liquidity from the market at the right time. On that high note, and with a chart showing our successful liquidity withdrawal, we'll wrap up this video. I've included all the useful links to the Sol launch website, Deck Screener, and other necessary resources in the description of this video, and I've also posted them in a pinned comment. Well, I'll say goodbye for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I wish you profitable launches and see you next time.